asymmetric,
Jenica.
Ano na dahil?
Repeated. Thank you, Lord. All good daw ang topic namin. All
How do
good.
you think that how does bullying affect the academic performance?
Alfred.
How they are being affected by it? Because some students are quiet about their situations or having a very hard time to open up to their family. And some students are, because some students are scared to go to school anymore because they don't want to experience bullying again or they don't want to experience that kind of trauma again.
Boarding.
And then SOP.
So, kung ina-boarding ko kami. Boarding ko.
Because according to Muna,
Oo. Ano yan? Number ganyan. Hindi masaya na yung feeling.
Sabi sa amin foreign eh.